Alright, so camera's rolling. You gonna say something to the camera?
Yeah.
What?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
To the camera.
Lauren, maybe in a day or two the circus train will come by.
Yeah.
It's a long train and on it there are circus animals, elephants, lions, tigers, clowns, and maybe we'll see it go right past on these railroad tracks. And then if we're lucky, maybe we'll follow it out. We'll go downtown and look at it, maybe. Right? Okay.
I did. I did, Dad.
What are you looking at, Lauren?
The spider.
A what?
Spider.
Spider web. Okay.
Got different kind of. Good. Good, Dad. I like the camera.
You get up here, all right? Atta girl. Now, where were we?
Sheep.
Asleep.
Sheep in the chair.
Remember the other day I was telling you about the circus train coming by? And you saw it, didn't you?
Yeah.
But I wasn't here, I missed it. But maybe Wednesday we'll go see the circus together. All right?
Look.
What are you doing?
Ah.
What are you doing? Get your feet out of there. Hey. All right, I'm gonna go to sleep, all right? Would that be all right with you?
Yeah.
Okay, good night. Don't fall now. Don't you fall. You better not fall off of here. Here, get your feet out of my shirt. Get your feet out of my shirt. You little goofy. Ah! Okay, don't fall. I'm gonna go sleep, all right? Good night. Fall. You were just sitting there. I must have been dreaming you were falling. Okay, good night. Hey, what? What? Okay. All right, good night. You got big bright eyes, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't even fall. I thought you were. All right, good night. All right. Uh-oh, here comes the big dog. Lady dog, come over here. Hello, lady. Want to give me a kiss? No. Oh, thank you. Where's my hug? Oh, that's a big hug.
Sheep.
Sleep.
Sheep.
All right.
you doing, Sarah?
Getting some socks for the circus.
Oh, this used to be my bedroom.
Oh. Yeah. Oh! Which one, Dad?
Uh-huh.
Here, Dad.
Dad.
Thank you.
Goodness gracious. Are they chewy? No hugs, banana, today. No hugs, banana.
Wait.
I like them.
You do?
No. No. No.
Come here, Glenn.
Glenn, come in. Yep, come on. You can't go to circus if you don't. Oh, he had the most gorgeous curly hair when he left here. Oh, Daddy got his cut too. For dinner, do you eat any more? You're just like Thorn? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Dirty. Oh, God, I
Put it in
missed
the
it.
wastebasket. Oh, yeah, put it in the wastebasket.
Thank you.
Garbage can.
That's a girl. You watch, look at Sarah. Watch Sarah. Wow.
Speed it up there, Sarah.
Oh!
So slow, that's
The slower you go, the better you are.
Mommy!
Now what do you do?
Oh, I need somebody to get me up before I fall.
Well, we get to go.
We do? We do.
Can't do it.
Kind of messy,
This
huh?
week?
On the carpet.
When? Thursday?
Thursday.
How am I gonna get there? I don't know where it is.
Call it cool.
I have some
We can do
more.
Can I ride on the bus?
you want to ride on the bus.
Why not?
Oh, kiss for
That's
Sarah.
nice.
Oh.
Say goodbye.
Bye, Lauren.
Bye, Lauren.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go. Camera's rolling. Okay, now what are you gonna do?
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Lauren. You gonna drink some coffee?
Yeah.
Is that good coffee?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Well, what should we talk about? The circus?
Yeah.
We went to the circus, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we saw what?
Elephants,
Mm-hmm.
tigers, too.
Tiger.
They were playing.
They were playing, weren't they? Did we
Yeah.
see bears?
No.
No,
They
no
didn't
bears.
have any bears.
No bears, but they had,
Kitty cat. Big kitty cat.
yes, and they had camels, didn't they?
Oh, they were cute.
And they had a llama. Remember the
No.
llama?
Yeah.
They had
Yeah.
a llama.
Yeah.
And what about the clowns?
They had, they kept something.
The clowns did?
Yeah.
They were funny, weren't they?
Yeah. Get off for a minute. Turn the TV on, Dad.
Oh, let's talk for a while first, okay?
Elephants. Elephants were nice.
Yes.
Yeah, they were cute too.
Mm-hmm.
Elephants were cute.
Okay, go sit back in your chair.
No, I'm gonna get off and what's that?
Okay, goodbye. Yeah, I know what we can talk about. We can talk about your new baby. Are you gonna have a new baby?
Yeah,
And it will be what, a boy or a girl?
a boy.
A boy? You think so?
A girl.
Oh,
The girl's got to talk.
and she's gonna talk? What are you gonna do with the baby?
Hold her.
Hold her?
You gotta hold her too.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta talk to a boy.
Yes.
She might run away in my kitchen.
In your kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, are you excited about having a new brother or sister?
Sister.
Yeah.
Sister. What's that? Oh, Mommy's coming.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Doc. Come on.
Taco. Don't mind me. Why would I bite you? Hello. Quit that. Quit that. I'm hurt. Yes. I agree. Uh-oh, that's right. Getting down to little pieces.
Pop. Bad. Papa, you bad.
More?
Wow. That's pretty fast, Lauren. Lauren, look.
Plant flowers.
Yeah, we'll take a look at the flowers we planted, okay? Here we go. Now,
It's big.
they're big.
Look.
Look, what are these? Snapdragons?
Yeah, snapdragon.
Yeah, we planted them, didn't we? And,
There's a snapdragon.
and someday we'll have pretty flowers from them, won't we?
Where's Lady going?
Where's Lady going? I don't know.
Where's she going? Where is she going?